Exercise 13.2, question number 4, first subdivision. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. 108 into 192. So, what we have to do here is, we have to do prime factorization as we learnt in the previous class. First, we will take 108 and do the prime factorization. So take 2 as the prime factor, you will get 54. Again divide by 2, you will get 27. Now 3 is the prime factor, 3 9s are 27. Again 3 is the prime factor, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 is the prime factor, 3 1s are 3. So now write down all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now write in exponential form. So how many times 2 is multiplied? 2 times. So 2 to the power of 2 into how many times 3 is multiplied? 3 times. So 3 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 3. Same way we have to do the prime factorization of 192. First start from 2. You will get 96. 2, again 2. So you will get 48. Now when you divide, you will get 24. Now again when you divide, you will get 12. Again when you divide, you will get 6. Again when you divide, you will get 3. Now you take 3 as the prime factor. 3 1s are 3. Write down all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then into 3. So how many times 2 is multiplied? 6 times. So in exponential form, it is 2 to the power of 6. How many times 3 is multiplied? It is just written only once. So you will write 3 to the power of 1. 2 power 6 into 3 power 1. Now combine both. 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 6 into 3 to the power of 1. Now here, after coming to this stage, what you have to do is assemble the exponential numbers with similar bases. So 2 power 2 and 2 power 6 you can bring together. 3 power 3 and 3 power 1 you can bring together. So you will get like this. 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 6. This is one combination. Other combination is 3 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 1. Now we can apply the law of exponent here. Last week itself, in the previous class, I have told you what are the laws. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. When we multiply the exponential numbers with similar bases and different powers, we should add the powers. So first you take 2 power 2 into 2 power 6 and apply the law. So you will get 2 to the power of 2 plus 6, which is 8. 2 to the power of 8. Coming to the next combination. 3 power 3 into 3 power 1. Here also apply the law. So you will get 3 to the power of 3 plus 1. So it becomes 3 to the power of 4. Final answer is 2 to the power of 8 into 3 to the power of 4. 108 into 192 can be written in exponential form as 2 to the power of 8 into 3 to the power of 4.